Hey guys, welcome to Flothemes. Thanks for visiting our services page. In the following video, we aim to help you make the right decision for your business when choosing an installation package. So let's get started. So as you can see, we have three options for your needs, and each option is tailored for different users. So let me just give you an overview. So we have the simple installation package. That is our easiest and most simple package. And it's really great for those of you that are starting out with a new website and you just need some assistance with the technical aspects of that. That will include, of course, setting up WordPress on your hosting, installing the theme, and then we will also install the demo content for you. After that, you're going to go ahead and add the content yourself, change the pages, remove everything you don't need, and then, of course, launch the site. The next package we have is the advanced installation package. This is a much more comprehensive package, and with this package we will set up your website at the start specifically with your requirements. So you will let us know all of the options you would like based within the theme, and we will set that up for you. We will then also teach you how to use the theme and WordPress, so you will have two 45-minute screen sharing sessions with us, and we will be able to answer any questions you may have, show you how to use everything and how you can add content. You also have one-to-one email support for up to 8 weeks from the purchase of the installation. So you will be able to ask any questions directly to your support hero, and they will give you responses on how to do anything and support you through the entire process. We will also do this with a temporary site. So if you have an existing site, it will remain live. So there's no downtime or anything affected with your current website, so you're still able to generate leads. The final package is the Advanced Pro package. This one is going to help you step up your game. It is for those of you that are concerned about SEO or you need additional assistance. And it's really great for people that are either starting out fresh and really want to get up to speed with using a new website quickly, or for those looking to make a transition over from an existing website. You want to maintain your SEO. You would like to have the site optimized for speed because it's important for SEO. And you have the additional help of us adding the content to the site for you. You have three 45-minute screen sharing sessions as well, and in that we do a review of SEO with one of those, and again the other two will be used to help you set up your website, answer any questions you may have, and really to get you fast-tracked to learning and using your new website. So that's it, folks. Those are the three packages. You can have a look as well if you want to learn more about that. Feel free to set up a call with us, and we're always happy to help. Thanks.